How to use Google Home for screen mirroring. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Play Store on your device and search Google Home in here. Click on Google Home and install this app. After this app is installed, simply open the app and click on Get Started. Then select the Google account you want to create an account from and press on OK. Then click on Create Home in the middle. Add your home name and then press on Next at the bottom. Then add your address, if not, skip. After you've done that, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Next and then allow location and then go back. As you can see, location enabled, then turn on Bluetooth as well. Click on Allow, which will turn on your Bluetooth. As you can see, it's looking for devices. Now, if your TV is on, you'll find your Google Home in here. Simply click on it and you'll be connected and screen mirroring will be turned on. This is how to use Google Home for screen mirroring. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.